Yes, it's finally time. All right, we've been waiting a long, long time for this one. Like 4 years of speculation, a year of construction, 2 years of delays. It's finally time. First ride here on Iron Gwazi, brand new roller coaster, Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. And here we go, up the lift. A little loud.
Anticipation's building.
It looks pretty wild.
It does.
Can't see any animals yet. I'm hoping to see some animals from the lift, but we'll see. Are you? I'm can't wait.
I know you're very excited. I like these types of coasters. It's freaked me out the first time I ride.
All right, well, there's some crafts over there. I did see some animals on the lift. Oh wow!
Here
All right,
we go.
206 feet, 91 degree first drop, going really going slow over that drop, and it's really steep. Oh! Oh! Head jumper! Okay, here we go. Oh! Big Outer Bay. Oh man, it's so cold this morning. Here we go. Death roll! Oh man, this that's fun. Whee! All right, go to the station. Oh man. More air time. And we're upside down again. Alrighty. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Oh, this is a blast. Oh! All right.
That was a lot of airtime.
Yes. Immediate thoughts. I should have worn a jacket. 2, it's way more airtime than I thought it was going to be.
It was.
That's a blast. It is butter smooth too. It's a winner.
It is. It's really
Absolutely. And I love it. You know, for years we did not have like world-class coasters in Central Florida. Now we got 3 with Mako, Velocicoaster, Iron Gwazi. This is a really, really good ride. Easily the best ride in the park. Molly is crying, I think.
fun. I did. I am.
All right.
From excitement. That was way more airtime than I thought.
Yeah, I agree.
That was a lot more airtime.